Good morning to all of you. Hello, how are you? Today we are studying the first lesson in geography. What is the name of lesson? इंडिया साइज एंड लोकेशन. आपने क्या पढ़ा ये आप सुनाने को तैयार हो? इन विच हेमिस्फीयर इज इंडिया लोकेटेड? नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर. What is the latitudinal and longitudinal extension of India? The mainland extends between latitudes 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north, and longitudes 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. Which line divides India roughly into two parts? Tropic of Cancer passes through how many states of India? Okay, Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 states of India. We can remember this by a very beautiful trick. Tell me, what is the trick? मित्र पर गमछा झार. मी फोर मिजोरम, त्रे फोर त्रिपुरा, पे फोर पश्चिम बंगाल मीन्स वेस्ट बंगाल, रे फोर राजस्थान, गे फोर गुजरात, मैं फोर मध्य प्रदेश, छ फोर छत्तीसगढ़ एंड झार फोर झारखंड. Now let's talk about the 4 distance point in the 4 direction of India. Please tell me, which is the northernmost point of India? Indira Col. Please tell me, Indira Col located in? The southernmost point of the Indian Union is Indira Point. It is located in Great Nicobar. Okay, easternmost point of the Indian Union is Kibutu, located in Arunachal Pradesh. And westernmost point of the Indian Union is Gormata. Gormata is located in Gujarat. How many kilometers is the length of India from north to south? 3214 kilometers. Say again. 3214 kilometers. How many kilometers is the east to west width of India? 2933 kilometers. Which is the largest country in the world in terms of area? Russia. Second position goes to Canada. Third position America. Fourth China. Fifth Brazil. Sixth Australia. And what is the rank of India in terms of area? 7th. What percentage of the world's total area is located in India? 2.4%. Which is the largest state in India in terms of area? Rajasthan. Okay, now let's talk about population. Please tell me, which country has the largest population in the world? China. After China, second position goes to India. Okay, what percent of the world's population lives in India? 17.5%. Which is the largest state in India in terms of population? Uttar Pradesh. Now let's talk about the neighboring countries of India. How many neighboring countries are situated on the border of India? 8. How many of these form the land boundary? 7. We have also remembered these neighboring countries with a very beautiful trick. You tell what is the trick? बचपन में MBA किया. बेफोर बांग्लादेश, चेफोर चाइना, पेफोर पाकिस्तान, नेफोर नेपाल, एमफोर म्यांमार, बीफोर भूटान, A4 अफगानिस्तान. ठीक है, तो ये जो कंट्रीज हैं ये लैंड बाउंड्री पे हमारे यहाँ पे लोकेट हैं. विच कंट्री आर लोकेटेड टू द नॉर्थ ऑफ इंडिया? China and Nepal. Which country are located to the east of India? Okay. Which country is located to the south of India? Sri Lanka. Which country is located to the west of India? Pakistan. Which country is located to the northeast of the India? Bhutan. Or northwest? Afghanistan. With which country does India share the largest international border? Bangladesh. Okay. And shortest border? Afghanistan. What is the area of India? India has an area of about 3.28 million 61 square kilometers. How many kilometers is the coastal line of India? 6100 kilometers. And how many kilometers is the coastal line of India including islands? 7516.6 kilometers. From which longitude is the certified time of India measured? 82 degree 30 minute east longitude. How many states does this line pass through? 5 states. Please tell me states का नेम बताओ. First state is उत्तर प्रदेश, second third छत्तीसगढ़, fourth उड़ीसा, fifth आंध्र प्रदेश. Students, you are studying very well. You are a very good students. I have full faith that you will be definitely be a part of success in future. It's only been 5 days since we read this, because what date is today? What date is today? 7th July 2022. आज 7 जुलाई है. स्टूडेंट, दिस सब्जेक्ट मैटर इज लेस नाउ. आज देखो ये सब्जेक्ट बहुत कम है, विषय वस्तु. बट एज द डेज पास बाय दिस सब्जेक्ट मैटर विल इंक्रीज एवरी डे. हर दिन ये विषय वस्तु बढ़ती जाएगी. सो यू ऑलवेज हैव टू रिमेंबर वेरी वेल. We will meet again tomorrow. Thank you so much. Act of good behavior. Have a nice day.